So why is the Ilikai so popular?
It was in the original Hawaii 5.0 intro.
Only watched the second series.
And the Hula show. Aloha, this is Min Yong. I'm a licensed real estate broker in Hawaii, also broker in charge at RE/MAX Honolulu, and welcome to Ilikai.
Ilikai is right in front of the beach, making it a very popular destination for tourists who like to enjoy water sports such as swimming or surfing. The address is 1777 Ala Boulevard. This hotel condo is very popular because it appeared in the intro of a very popular TV series Hawaii 5.0, where Jack Lord stood on the penthouse lanai, and millions of viewers saw this building every week. Located at the starting point of Waikiki, Ilikai has a marina right in front of it, and its Y-shaped, its distinctive feature is very convenient for those who want to enjoy swimming in the beautiful lagoon at Hawaiian Village. This Ilikai is very close to Ala Moana Shopping Center, and it's the largest outdoor shopping center in the United States. Building was completed back in 1965. It has gone through a lot of remodeling to maintain the quality due to the restriction on the developments in Hawaii. The current prices have increased about double compared to the price about 10 years ago. It's impressive to see, even though it's an older building, the prices kept rising. Ilikai has various sizes and floor plans, from studios to 3 bedrooms. So Ilikai allows short-term rental legally. So let's take a look at the facilities. As a famous hotel, it has beautiful landscaping inside. It's very spacious. Over there is the front desk. Pesca is a seafood restaurant located on the top floor. It has stunning views. I highly recommend it to those who want to experience wonderful views and ambience of Waikiki. Here you can also find a private elevator to the Pesca restaurant. This is a cinnamon restaurant known for its famous Kalua pig egg benedict and red velvet pancakes. This is a very popular ice cream shop called Dave's, and you must try their ice cream. Here's a car rental shops. Since there's an office inside of the hotel, you don't have to go far to rent a car. There are various shops and restaurants on the lobby level offering surfing equipment, mini markets, Hawaiian shirts, and even hair salon. It also has an indoor gym.
The truth is, nobody's gonna work out on Friday.
Ilikai has 2 swimming pools, one on the lobby and one on the second floor. The lobby pool is for the adults, while the second floor pool is more shallow, so it's more suitable for kids. As one of the advantages of Ilikai Hotel Condo is that the most units have lanais, which means balconies. There's more to offer on the second floor.
So come this way. This whole thing is a Hilton Hawaiian Village. That's Waikiki Beach, and then you can see the fireworks right over there.
If you go outside, you can enjoy the beautiful beach and marina view. If you follow this path, you can go straight to the ocean.
There are 5 elevators and 1 service elevator. Odd number on this side is facing the sunset, and this side is facing the Hilton Hotel. Since it's a Y-shaped building, each unit views are pretty much different.
So let's take a look at the unit. This is a unit 2533, which has a beautiful view of the ocean and marina. The price is at $850,000. It is a studio unit with a 1 bathroom. And although it doesn't come with a designated parking, you can use the hotel's paid parking or nearby public parking.
I really like how you can see the harbor. It's really beautiful. You can also see the sunset.
How big is this lanai?
It's about 120 square feet. So it's pretty big. So let's go to the inside. This is about 500 square feet just for the inside. As a queen size bed. And there's a couch, TV, internet, and there's a split AC. So most of the units here, we moved the partition door to make it look more open. And there's sprinklers. And then the most important thing is there is a view of the ocean. So there are 2 layers of curtains. This is the first layer, and this is the second, which is a blackout. This is the kitchen. This is a regular kitchen. Has a oven, range, microwave hood, and a full-size refrigerator and a full-size sink. So yeah, you can cook here in an ice bucket. Once you come in, there's a safe. There's a lot of hangers. An iron. So let's go to the bathroom. It has a 1 sink, big size of countertop. So it has a lot of place to store things. And a walk-in shower.
So let's go to the second floor. This is a price at $680,000. It has 1 bedroom and 2 full bathroom. The interior size is 671 square feet. And lanai is approximately 116 square feet. So total size is close to approximately 800 square feet.
So this is the living room. Of course, has more things to store since the dresser size is a lot bigger. It also has a kitchen, the refrigerator, and a sink, but the size of the oven is a bit smaller. Once you come in, there's a closet, but actually this closet is a bigger size. So this is the first bathroom. So a bit different, it has 1 sink and has a tub. Some people prefer a tub and some people likes the walk-in shower. So it depends on your preferences. The bedroom, so this bedroom actually has a door, like not like a shoji sliding door. So this unit has 2 split ACs, 1 in the living room and 1 in the bedroom. And it also has sprinklers throughout the unit, so that's a plus. And it's on the 2nd floor, so what can possibly go wrong? Queen size bed, and there's another closet. There's a lot of closets here. There's another dresser and a wall-mounted TV. And here's the bathroom with a tub and a 1 sink.
Ilikai has certain floors that have to be managed by the hotel, which are the 2nd floor and the 22nd to 25th. Other floors don't have any rental restrictions, so you can hire anyone to manage the unit for you, or you can manage it for yourself. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact Min Yong. I'm a licensed real estate broker in Hawaii, also a broker in charge at RE/MAX Honolulu. And thank you for watching. Mahalo.